Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to increase icon and text size in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your settings. Now go to System and click on Display. Here you can see Skill and you can see the percentage number. If you click on it, you can see some numbers. If you click on 100, your icon and text size will be small. If you click on 175, your text size and icon will be big. So this is how you can increase your text and icon size in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.